Anonymous Pinoy Confessions. Male, 21 years old. I have a girlfriend, 6 months na kami. We are both not virgin. She is my second girlfriend and I am her sixth boyfriend. She told me some things about what happened to her past, and mostly her body count was from her whole phase. Basically, walang label yung half of her body count, and she was hesitant at first in a relationship, scared that I might not accept her and just use her for, you know what I mean. But I love her very much, and even after hearing about all her past experiences, I accepted her completely. Our relationship was good at first. She loved me, updated me, and everything. Not until the third month, she was having mental issues and kind of suicidal. But I was there comforting her every time. And then, she tried breaking up with me a couple of times, saying that I deserved better and she did not. But I assured her that she also deserves better and I can treat her better. Tapos last week, she told me she didn't see me in her future and she was trying to break up with me, saying that she still loves her ex, na she thought na she already moved on. That day, I asked her if she had any communication with her ex. She said no. I could not trust her. I got paranoid. I opened her Facebook account, and there, she was really telling the truth. They have no communication at all. After 2 days, nagsorry siya, and naging okay kami. Medyo marupok kasi. But from time to time, I opened her Facebook, specifically Messenger, and read some convos with her ex and some boys she messed with in the past. I saw something that bothered me day and night, even in my dreams. I know you know what I saw. Please give me some advice on how I can make my mental health better after seeing the things that I saw.